How to get and install Paramount on Samsung TV. I'm going to tell you how to get and install Paramount Plus TV on your Samsung television. First, make sure that your Samsung TV is connected to the internet, and then grab your remote control and just click on the home button to open the smart hub. Next, navigate to the apps or to the left section and click on the search icon or the one that looks like a magnifying glass. Just type in Paramount Plus and select it from the search results. Click download or install, then wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the Paramount Plus app and sign in with your account credentials, or you may start a free trial if you're just a new user.